Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a message from your Instagram followers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn on message requests from followers on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to manage. Once you're on your home feed, look down at the bottom right and tap your profile picture. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile. Tap on those lines to open up the menu. Here, you'll see a list of options. Tap on Settings. This is where you can control all your privacy and messaging preferences. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Messages and Story Replies. Tap on that. This section is dedicated to how you receive messages and who can contact you on Instagram. Now, find the option labeled Message Requests. Tap on it, and you'll see different categories for who can send you message requests. To focus on your followers, tap on Your Followers on Instagram. Here's where you can choose how you want to handle messages from people who follow you. To make sure you receive message requests from your followers, select Message Requests. This means that when someone who follows you sends a message, it will appear in your Message Requests folder instead of being hidden or blocked. That's it! You've now set up your Instagram so you can easily see and manage message requests from your followers. This is a great way to stay connected with your audience, whether you're a creator, a business, or just want to keep in touch with friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.